Alright, what's up guys? We're gonna be cleaning our cars today. Well, Evan already cleaned his, so I just got to his house, so I gotta look how nasty she is. I gotta take all these stickers off because I'm doing a new little concept I got. Update. All the stickers are off. Don't mind that. That's bird shit. It should be all of it. I have my boy Evan clean this bitch up. Don't mind that. That's kind of nasty. Oh shit! I still need to take that part off. She getting clean. Birthday boy cleaning my wheels right now.
Alright, so this project I'm gonna use on your car, alright? So the shit expensive. It's like 20 bucks a bottle, but I'll show you. It's my top secret.
Alright. Bet.
Only pro detailers know how to use it.
Okay.
But please, pro detailers, don't comment because we gotta gatekeep this.
He's right.
I'll show you later on in the video.
Alright, I'm gonna show you a comparison. So this one, she a little nasty, but compared to this one, damn, that shit is shiny. Hell yeah. Hey, hit my boy Evan up for your details. He does semi-trucks only, like them big ass 18-wheelers. He don't fuck with these small ones. Now, you may be wondering, why am I not cleaning my own car? It's because I'm lazy as fuck, and I'm gonna let Evan do all the work on his birthday too. He's like my little pet. Look at me, I'm doing work now.
Alright guys, so after you're done washing it with McGuire's Gold Class, probably the best sub you can buy at Walmart for the price. So this is that secret product I was talking about. So if you're ever like leaving your car for a week because you got to go to work, you don't really want to upkeep it, I would use this after you're done washing your car, after you're done washing off all the soap. I would put this on because it will protect it for a good week, depending on how bad your weather conditions are. It can last up to a month, maybe a year, depending if you wash it every day, upkeep it, spray more, add more. But this works wonders. I use it on my car because it's black, as you guys know. It'll protect your paint for the week and keep it from getting sun damage. If you guys are too lazy like me to hand wax or polish it, because that just takes too much time, and my car's always on the outside and not in the garage. So yeah, don't forget to use this, guys.
All right, this is the final product of Evan's detailing. Looks pretty clean, not gonna lie. I fuck with it. She made her shiny. She finally has a second chance of living. I like it. I'm satisfied. All right, Evan. You wanna end off the video?
Oh yeah. All right. So yeah, as you can tell, this thing's pretty shiny using that blue spray I told you by McGuire. McGuire's, please sponsor us. You make good brand. Best bang for the buck. Anyways, I did want to tell you guys, you can spray it on your wheels too, and I do highly recommend it. It helps with brake dust and it helps with cleaning. But whenever you dry your wheels, I usually like to get my best quick detailer, and I usually spray it on the towel and then I wipe it down, but don't spray a lot because then it'll streak. But as you can tell from the results, it makes it shiny along with the protection of that ceramic, and that's the outcome of that, to make it look shiny. And if you do want to go to the max, highly recommend you use quick detail on the whole one, the whole paint. If you want my recommendation, I would use McGuire's, the green bottle. It should be right next to the blue bottle at Walmart. Highly recommend it. It'll enhance the water beading that you'll get from the blue one. So yeah, guys, this is the result. This is Walmart broke detailing.
Yeah.
Because we can't afford that.
We ball on the budget right now.
Detailing supplies.
Anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it.